Understanding Guilty Party, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, guilty party. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, guilty party, refers to a person or group responsible for a wrongdoing or a crime. It's often used in legal contexts but can also be found in everyday conversation. Understanding this phrase helps in comprehending news reports, legal dramas, and even everyday discussions where accountability is involved. Let's look at some examples to understand how guilty party is used in sentences. In a courtroom, the jury found the defendant to be the guilty party. In daily life, when the vase broke, everyone wondered who the guilty party was. In a work scenario, the investigation concluded that the manager was the guilty party in the financial discrepancies. A common mistake learners make is confusing guilty party with guilty pleasure. While the former refers to responsibility for wrongdoing, the latter is about enjoying something that one feels should not be enjoyed. Remember, context is key in distinguishing these phrases. In different cultures, the concept of a guilty party might vary, especially in how guilt is perceived and assigned. In some cultures, guilt is a collective concept, while in others, it's more individualistic. This cultural aspect can add layers of meaning to the phrase. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of guilty party. Understanding such phrases enriches your English language journey and helps in effective communication. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Happy learning!